show you how you can add Amazon affiliate links and product images for WordPress and other social media. So if you want to boost your earnings with Amazon affiliate marketing, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can properly add Amazon affiliate links and product images to WordPress and social media. So the first step, you need to join the Amazon Associates program first. Before adding links, make sure you already sign up for the Amazon Associates program. So how to sign up, you can just go to the affiliate program.amazon.com, this page right here, and then you can just click on sign up button and enter your details. So in here you need to sign up. In here you can click on this create your Amazon account first, and after that you just need to fill in your details and just wait until Amazon approve your applications. So once approved, you'll get access to Amazon affiliate tools, and you must make at least three qualifying sales in 180 days to keep your account active. And after that, you can just get your Amazon affiliate link, log in into your Amazon Associates dashboard after that. And then you can just search for a product that you want to promote. And then you can just click on get links, text or image. So for example, in here, I'm going to share a product link. You can just choose which one, and after that you can just copy the generated Amazon affiliate link. So if you want to just share the text links, it's direct product links, it's best for blogs and SEO. And the image links is a clickable product images with links, and the custom HTML banners is great for WordPress sidebar. So you can just choose the links that you want, and after you can just add your Amazon affiliate links to WordPress on or other social media. So you can manually add Amazon affiliate links to WordPress by opening a WordPress post or page and enter your content. Click on insert link and paste your Amazon affiliate link. And if you want to share it to social media, you can just create a simple landing page using Linktree, Beacons, or WordPress blog, and then add Amazon affiliate products links to the page. And after that, you can just share the landing page link to on your Instagram bio, TikTok, Twitter, or Facebook. You can also add the links to your Facebook posts, Twitter or X tweets, and also Pinterest product pins. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.